broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of dancing time. Harder, harder. Demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost myself. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. Oh, wait, I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of dancing time. Harder, harder.
This is Biker 390 and welcome back to my channel. So I am here at Honda Wing World at Andheri, Sakinaka. So you all saw the small unboxing clip. So today is a very special day for me and my brother as well. So as you all know, he had a ZX-10R which he recently sold and bought a Fireblade. If you are following us on Instagram, you might know the complete story. So yesterday was the unboxing, today is the delivery. So I'm feeling very excited. So I'll just take you inside the showroom and show you the bike. Right now it's covered, but let's go. So we hope this.
शाम के बीच में से इसका नाम
So I hope you guys loved the small unboxing and the delivery video of the new CBR 1000RR Fireblade. So that was just a small video. I didn't want to make it too long, too boring. So why did we get the Fireblade? Why did we sell the 10R, ZX10R? Everything I'll answer these questions in a separate video. So stay tuned for that. And yes, the videos will come now on the Fireblade because many of you guys are very much excited. They want to see the vlogs on the Fireblade now. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like, comment and share this video if you like it. Till then, stay tuned for the next video. Ride safe. Bye bye.